Video, I'm just going to briefly go over the strategy test code for the SignalSpotter bot here on TradingView and kind of walk you through the process and show you how to utilize it. All right. So once you get access to the code, what you're going to simply do is just open up the actual data. And all we're simply doing is just kind of looking at data on this particular bot. Specifically, what I like to look at first is the drawdown. Then I want to see the profit just to kind of see if it's worth trading. And then I'll pay attention to the percentage. And once I scale through and I kind of get decent numbers like here, 71%, and then the drawdown was very minimum, I will hit deep back test, and then I will go to really test it out for a year, and then I'll expand it just to see. So you see the dates are already here: 01/24, 12/31/24. So that was basically last year, as you can see. And you can see overall it netted 70% on this particular setup just on a 1 minute chart using Bitcoin. We had a drawdown 478, and then we had a net profit of 19,000. So this is how you keep it very simple to use it. Let's see if it actually gives us data for 2 years. So we go back to 2023, January the 1st, and then we'll go here, 2023, we'll go to December the 31st, and we'll generate report just to see if it gives us any data from that. All right, so there you have it. We had a 63.33%. That's overall in 2 years. Max drawdown $180. So roughly, if you had a $500 account, roughly or a little more, you could have netted 4,300 on this particular place. So that's 2 years, and then you can basically just keep going until you can kind of figure out things here. Let's try one more. We'll go back 3 years, which makes it 2022. Then we hit December and just see if it generates a report, and if so, what was the numbers based off the 3 year stand. So it's a 65% overall for 3 years, max drawdown, total profit. All right. So just wanted to get this video out to kind of show you how to utilize the backtest strategy on TradingView. Take care, guys. I'll see you on the next one.